Have you ever wanted to copy text from a photo without typing it yourself? Fortunately, your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes an extra text feature that lets you copy text directly from an image in just a few taps. Let me show you how. First, open the Gallery app, then open the photo that contains the text you want to copy. Tap the extract text icon in the bottom right corner. Your phone will automatically detect the text in the image. Now, select the text you want to copy. From the pop-up menu, tap Copy. The selected text is now copied to your clipboard, so you can paste it into another app like Note, Messages, or your favorite document editor. And that's how you use the extract text feature to copy text from an image on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This feature saves time by letting you reuse text from photos without manually typing it, making it especially useful for document, sign, receipt, and screenshot. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.